Hi, this is my review for the JBL Quantum 400 headphones, the black color. Really enjoy these headphones. They're very cool. When you plug them in, they light up like this. If they're not plugged in, they won't light up. So this is pretty cool just on its own. They're very comfortable, obviously left and right ear. So that's, so you don't get confused. What's nice is this is for the mic. If you have it up, nobody can hear you talking. When you put it down, the light will go off, and as you can see there's a light on, so if it's on it means nobody can hear you talking in chat, and then when it's on it goes away, so I mean now they can hear you. So it's nice if you kind of want to walk away, or you're talking to somebody in your room or something, you can just put it up and then they can't hear you. Very comfortable, very soft. They are a little big, but aside from that, I mean, they're nice. Here it has the gaming volume control, and the volume is right here, and then this is also to control the volume of the game, and then this is also if you want to this button, yeah, I believe this is for mute. So yeah, so it's a great pair of headphones. You can also unplug it here, and then you would plug it back in right there. And then it also has a plug, has some other plugs there. Honestly, I'm not sure what this is for. I'm assuming for an aux cable, but I haven't used it, so I'm not 100% sure. I just mainly plug it in with the USB and that it comes with, and this into my computer. So, and as you can see, as soon as you plug it in, it turns back on. So that's pretty cool. So they're very comfortable headphones. And yeah, hope the review was helpful.